Yes, we are here now. Hello friends, this is Nigam Paswan. फ्रेंड आज हम पढ़ेंगे क्लास 6 to 8 जी के क्वेश्चन. मोस्ट फ्रिक्वेंटली आज क्वेश्चन अटेम्प्ट करेंगे इस वीडियो में. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट द वीडियो. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1. Amarya Sen, the NRI Nobel laureate, got the honor for which work? Answer is poverty and feminize. Question number 2. Where did India made her debut in Olympic football? Answer is London in 1948. Question number 3. Which plant is used for green manuring in India? Answer is sun hemp. Question number 4. Which city is known as the Manchester of South India? Answer is Coimbatore. Question number 5. The government of India has decided to declare river as national river. Answer is Ganga. Question number 6. What does the preamble of our constitution contain? Answer is the spirit of the constitution. Question number 7. Which energy of the electron at absolute zero is called? Answer is Fermi energy. Question number 8. What is an essential attribute of inflation? Answer is increases in prices. Question number 9. Which city is known for silk wearing industry? Answer is Kanchapuram. Question number 10. Which Rajput king defeated Muhammad Ghori for the first time? Answer is Prithviraj III. Question number 11. Where were first Olympic Games held? Answer is 776 BC. Question number 12. What is characteristic odor of garlics? Answer is sulfur compound. Question number 13. The source of India's sovereignty lies in which thing? Answer is preamble to the constitution. Question number 14. What can be the maximum duration of totality for a solar eclipse? Answer is 7 minutes 40 seconds. Question number 15. Which region of India was ruled by Sultan Zainul Abidin? Answer is Kashmir. Question number 16. Which is the vitamin that is most readily manufactured in our bodies? Answer is vitamin D. Question number 17. The celebrated novel The Godfather was authored by which author? Answer is Mario Puzo. Question number 18. What is the best means of saving during inflation? Answer is money. Question number 19. What is the total surface area of the earth? Answer is approximately 510 million square kilometer. Question number 20, and this is last question in this video. Sirajuddaulah was defeated by Lord Caliph in which battle? Answer is Battle of Plaza.